Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Gmail and go straight to all mail because archived messages live there. Once done, skim visible conversations to confirm they are archived. These won't show the inbox label. To narrow results, type a sender, keyword, or date range in the search bar so you don't scroll forever. Make sure you're in the account that holds those messages. Starting here saves time and makes the next steps predictable and precise, so you only target the messages you intend to remove. Now select the archived emails you want to delete. Click the top left checkbox to select visible items, and if you need everything matching your search, click the Select All Conversations that match this search link to expand selection. Once selected, click the trash icon to move them to trash. This is deletion, not permanent yet, which gives you a safety window. Make sure to review a few items before trashing to avoid accidental loss. And remember, labels don't affect this move for archived messages. To finish, open trash and either wait 30 days or choose empty trash now to permanently remove the archived emails immediately. If you deleted something by mistake, restore it from trash before the 30-day auto-delete window. If you can't find archived messages to delete, make sure filters didn't auto-apply labels, check other accounts and map sync settings, and confirm you're viewing the right Gmail account. These issues are the most common cause when messages seem to disappear or can't be deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.